Best cooking apps. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Big Oven Cooking App. The Big Oven is the largest cooking app with over 350,000 recipes. You'll find the best suitable eating options and find the recipes to enhance your hunger. Thus, you'll find many other recipes which others are making to inspire the world. Allrecipes Dinner Spinner app. It's free of cost and you can install this app on your mobile device. You'll get suggestions and the yummy recipes of your favorite ingredients. No need to dine out when you have this app with you. Yumly Cooking App. Yumly won't disappoint you in providing a list of some recipes according to your taste and requirement. You'll love your food and your family will like how you cook and present the food. Epicurious Cooking App. If you want some unique recipes to satisfy your taste buds, you must need this app. The tool is the better option with 35,000 recipes, and you'll get the complete cooking and presenting options as well. Kitchen Stories app. If you're a beginner, you need this app to enhance your cooking skills. The tool is the perfect choice with 35,000 recipes and will provide the complete and most accessible cooking options for you. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn the notifications on.